welcome to my kitchen. Let's make blueberry and mango tiramisu cake. Let's start. I'll be using a stand mixer with flat beater attachment. In a bowl, add 2 cups of cold cream cheese. Beat cream cheese until it's free of lumps. Add in 3/4 cup of sugar. Continue beating, scraping down the bowl frequently. Add 3 tablespoons full of lemon juice. Now slowly start adding 2 cups of heavy whipping cream until it is incorporated into the cream cheese. Scrape down sides of bowl. Continue beating until soft peaks form. Divide this cream in half. In 1/2 of the cream mix, add in 1/2 cup of blueberry sauce. Let's quickly see how to make blueberry and mango sauce. In a saucepan, add in 1 cup of frozen or fresh blueberries. Add 1 tablespoonful of sugar, 3 tablespoons full of lemon juice, half a cup of water. Bring this to a boil. Simmer it for 5 minutes and switch off the flame. Once this cools down, pass it through a sieve. Now what you're left with is blueberry sauce. This will thicken up as it cools down. Place it in the refrigerator for a few minutes. Blueberries are high in pectin. Lemon juice bonds with pectin, creating a gel. For making mango sauce for the cake, blend 2 cups of mangoes, frozen or fresh. Pass it through a sieve to remove the fiber. Heat it up until the mango pulp reduces to half. Place it in the refrigerator for it to cool down. Now let's fold in this blueberry sauce in the cream. Fold it in gently. Let's mix in mango sauce in the other half of the cream mix. This is 1/2 cup of mango sauce. Fold in the mango sauce gently. This is ready. Line bottom of a pan with parchment paper. This is optional. Over here I have got 2 cups of pineapple juice to dip the lady fingers in. We'll be needing 32 lady fingers. Let's start assembling the cake now. Dip the lady fingers in juice. Lady fingers soak up a lot of liquid within 1 second, so make it a very quick dunk. Line dipped lady fingers in bottom of pan. If needed, cut some lady fingers to fill in any empty spaces. Layer all of the blueberry mousse on top of the lady fingers. Smooth it out. Tap the pan gently to remove air pockets. Spread blueberry sauce on top. Now line dipped lady fingers on the blueberry mousse. Now layer mango mousse on top of the lady fingers. Give it a tap. Top this with mango sauce. Now let's make raspberry jelly with agar agar to top this cake with. Meanwhile, keep this cake in the refrigerator. In a saucepan, add 1 cup of water. Add 2 tablespoons of raspberry sauce. Friends, you can use seedless raspberry jam too. To make this raspberry sauce, please follow the same recipe for making blueberry sauce. Keep the flame on low-medium heat. Add 2 tablespoons of sugar. Mix this all up with a wire whip. Now add 1/4 teaspoon of agar agar powder. Give it a mix. Once this starts boiling, lower the flame. Let it simmer for a minute. Switch off the flame. Remove the pot from the heat. Let's see if this agar agar raspberry jelly sets. Pour a very small amount in a bowl and let it set in the refrigerator for about 5 minutes. Okay friends, the jelly has set. If this wouldn't set, I would boil it with 1/4 teaspoon of agar agar powder again. Friends, before topping your cake with any jelly, please make sure that it sets. To remove air bubbles from the raspberry jelly mix, pass it through a sieve. After it has come to room temperature, pour it on the cake. If you see air bubbles, pop them with a toothpick. Refrigerate this for 8 hours. Blueberry mango tiramisu cake is out of the refrigerator. Before unmolding this, let it sit on the countertop for at least 15 minutes. Run a thin knife along the outside edge of the springform pan. I am using a plastic knife. This works very well to unmold cheesecakes and mousse cakes. Clean your knife as you go. Unlatch and remove the sides of the pan. Keep one hand under the pan and lift the cake like this. Friends, if you want, you can decorate this cake. Okay friends, blueberry mango tiramisu cake topped with raspberry jelly is ready to be served. Hope you all enjoyed watching today's video. Please like, subscribe and share. I'll see you back soon with a new recipe. Till then, take care. Bye.